Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. This is going to be a real fast one. There's a polar vortex rolling in apparently. We're getting freezing temperatures in early May, record low temperatures, craziness. I just wanted to show you the lengths at which I have gone to protect my garden right now, because the last freeze I didn't have my peppers and tomatoes in the ground. Those are my prized crops. So let me show you what I did. This is overkill. Okay, so similar to last time, I do have blankets down. The lesson I learned is to keep them propped up so they're not actually touching any of the leaves of your plants, because then the freezing air will freeze the condensation if it's just touching the leaves of the plant and could still kill them. So on top of that, I've also tried a different method, which is basically the covering everything with any sort of buckets or pots or nursery pots, anything you have. I have them all covered up. It's just going to put a barrier between them and the cold air. But look at this monstrosity. Under here is all my peppers and tomatoes. I have like 5 sheets all clipped on together. It's a tomato cage on the outside to help give it some distance so it's not right up against the plant like I mentioned. I have, well, kind of double, because I had my original plan was to put buckets and laundry baskets and stuff over them and then cover them up, but then I went ahead and just did both. I have a big bin covering up my beans, and look, I got my some peppers covered, the basil covered, tomatillo. Like, this is just double overkill. I'm doing anything and everything I can to keep my garden safe. So anyway, I thought this was actually pretty comical, so I wanted to show you this crazy structure. This is a bit overboard, but hey, I definitely want my plants to survive. Again, I have just the little nursery pots and solo cups covering everything, which is frost tender. And luckily a lot of greens and things are frost hardy, so hey, these can all take a frost just fine. So the majority of the garden is going to be totally fine, but these heat loving crops, they need some sort of protection from this crazy late record low temperatures that is blowing through Nashville, Tennessee, and most of the Southeast. All right, that was it. To anyone else out there who's going through a similar thing, good luck to you, and we will get through this. All right, guys, see you on the next one.